Imagine a world where money is completely digital and backed by your government. Sounds futuristic, right? Hey everyone, it's time to level up your game. We've got something special for you. Unlike Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, they are fully regulated and backed by the government. This means faster transactions, safer payments, and less reliance on cash. Countries like China, the USA, and the UK are already exploring or testing them.
Are you ready to dive into the future of finance?
No more lost cash, lower transaction fees, and more financial inclusion for everyone. The future of money is digital, secure, and government-backed. Stay ahead and learn more about CBDCs now. Are you ready to elevate your online presence? I'm here to build websites that not only look stunning, but also drive results. Let's make your digital dreams a reality.